Hey guys, welcome to Wretched Adventures. Thanks for joining us today. We just wanted to give you a shout out. We haven't met y'all face to face, but we wanted to say thank you for those of you that have subscribed, for those of you that are just finding us for the first time. We're an outdoors channel. So what we would like to know from you guys is what you enjoy more. Would you rather see more of the ATV, trail riding, mud riding, or is it more of the mud trucks that you like? We're here for y'all. We want to create content that you guys are going to enjoy and want to see and continue to watch. So let us know in the comments below what it is you'd rather watch. The ATVs and UTVs or the mud trucks, or continue the way we're going. Just let us know. We're here to create content for you. And again, thanks guys. The Wretched Nation is growing. We're up in subscribers. Our views are up. But as you know, YouTube channels can't survive without you guys, the subscribers and the views that y'all give us. We enjoy doing this. We enjoy doing it for you. So again, let us know what it is that you enjoy doing the most. We started out just buying a four-wheeler to ride around on the hunt lease. We bought a little 2019 Honda Rancher, a little 420. It's the straight axle, not independent rear suspension. And it's got the foot shift on it. It's not the electronic shift. But we just bought it to ride around on the hunt lease on, just so we didn't have to walk so much. And some friends invited us to take a ride one weekend with them. And just like y'all, we fell in love with it. So we've had some transformations over the last few months in the bike, going from stock to where we're at now. And we're just going to share some of it with you. What you see now is the stock bike. This is how we bought it off the showroom floor, and it did good. We got around on it. It served its purpose. We got around on the hunt lease. We loaded deer on it. We loaded whatever on it, and we took off. We used it for fishing down on the Gulf. We're in central Louisiana, so we drive down to the coast and we do some surf fishing, and it did great down there. But we kind of started thinking, hey, look, we may need to beef up some tires. We may need to get some better tires because this mud riding thing is pretty fun. And we can't do it with just these stock tires. We can't make it through some of the holes. So we stepped up, and as you can see now, this is the bike with some Mud Lite 2s on it that I bought secondhand, offline. A local guy just down the road had them for sale. Went and picked them up. Liked them and all. Buyer beware. The tires were a little muddy whenever I bought them. I didn't get a good look at them, and it had about a 2-inch gash in one of the tires, and the guy just had it stuffed with plugs. So I was like, well, this ain't gonna work. It'll leave us stranded someday. So here we go. We're fixing to unveil the new Honda Rancher. We've put it on some BKTs, and we changed the color of the bike. So without further ado, this is going to be the new bike. All right, guys, the new 2019 Honda Rancher Wretched Adventures version, sitting on 28-inch BKTs on some MSA wheels, and we've actually changed the color. We've gone from the hunter green or the dark green to a matte black finish on it. We're not finished, so that's why we're here today. Also, we want you guys to help us and figure out what it is that we're going to do next to it. Is it going to be a 2-inch lift kit? Do we want to put a snorkel kit on it next? Do we want to upgrade the exhaust system? Let us know what you want to see us do next to it. I'm kind of pushing more toward the snorkel because I want to start going a little bit deeper. But on the second hand, I also need a little bit more clearance, so I'm thinking maybe a lift kit. But let us know in the comments below also what it is you'd like to see us do next. Lift it, put an exhaust on it, or if you want to see the snorkel kit put on. All right, guys, that's where we're at on the bike right now. Color change, bigger wheels, new tires, and the upgrades coming for whatever y'all suggest we do to it next. Let us know also how we've done so far. Let us know if you like the color of the bike, the wheels, if it was the right choice in tires, if we should have gone another direction, and why. Let us know. We're growing in this. We need to learn. We learn every day. Y'all learn every day. So let us know what we've done, what we may not have done right. If you like it, if you don't like it. And man, it's really awesome to be able to finally meet you guys face to face. It's been a long time coming. Let me know if you want to continue seeing my ugly mug and hearing me talk. If not, we'll continue the videos the way that we are. Guys, if you know anybody that likes this mud lifestyle, ask them to subscribe to the channel. Ask them to check out our videos. And thank y'all for y'all's support. Wretched Adventures wouldn't be here without y'all.